In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable low resolution video on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, select the power icon, and then tap or hold the shift key on your keyboard and select restart. Again, while holding down the shift key on your keyboard. And then once you're onto the screen here that you see, you can release pressure on the shift key and then select troubleshoot and then select advanced options. Select startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select restart. And now you want to tap the F3 key to enable low resolution video. Again, the F3 or function 3 key on the top of your keyboard. So go tap on that and give that a moment. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.